Eric. We've been having issues with this 2009 Kawasaki 450. You can have, it's really hard to start in the cold start. You kick it so many times it just will not start. We do use some cheat fluid, and then after that it turns on and turns off right away. Me and one of my cousins found out that this O-ring was bad, and I believe that's the cause of it. This is a fuel pump, and it goes in that little hole right there. So I went to AutoZone and bought this, and we're gonna replace it, and hopefully that'll fix our problem. So this goes something like, yeah, it goes something like, oh, come on, oh, there we go, like this. So that O-ring's stuck in there in this hole. So we're gonna put that on there, and hopefully that'll fix our problem. Okay, so this is the O-ring we replaced. The original one was actually a little bit thicker, and it did work for like the first couple of days, and then after that it didn't work. So this is the one it kind of looked close to, which is this one. 5/16 inner diameter, 1/2 inch outer diameter. So we're gonna put this one, and it fits perfectly over this one, and it fits in there where it was. So I think we're doing good. Crap. Oh, this way. Actually, it's the other way. Maybe not. Oh, there it goes. I think. All right, so we're gonna be chopping here and there because I want to make sure I get this right. This cap, here's a picture of how we took it. So this cap goes first. I'm trying not to break anything because these plastics are normally brittle as hell. Might be doing something wrong. Feel free to tell me. I like to learn, and I do learn from other people's mistakes too. Like, I hope a lot of people can learn from my mistakes. Some do, some don't. Some learn the hard way, I guess. Okay, that's it.
looks about it.
Here's the first problem I encountered. This is where a hose normally goes in, and that wire wasn't there, so I'm just gonna push it aside. I don't see the big deal about it. Or maybe. There we go. Just pulled it, got it out of the way. Perfect. So other picture says oh, don't delete that. It goes this guy. Oh, now I broke it.
Did you actually?
I don't know, it fell off, but no, I guess not. So you put this, slide it in here. And I remember it took quite a force to get it out. When we got it out, it went out pretty smooth. And this guy. Ow!
What?
There it is. It hurt. Well, it's all good. So just move this clamp all the way to the front. This guy goes in here, like this. And then this guy goes in here, and the screw goes in there. Okay, and then this is a clip for this. Okay, I think we're good to put it back in. All right, step it. All right, one of the things I like to do is normally you leave marks because this thing rotates once you take it off. So I marked it here and I marked it here knowing that this faces that way. And then when I took out the pump, because it's just to make sure what way it goes, I marked it right there too. Now we know this goes that way onto the hose to the engine. That way it's not like this and going somewhere else. So I'm gonna just put this back, bolt it on, put it on the bike, and we're gonna give it a shot. You could just, you know, put them, screw them on, grab your tool, set it to the highest setting, and just go until it stops. No, I'm just kidding, no. Don't do that.
Easy way to break a plastic.
Yeah. Okay. I got faith in that machine. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know about these bikes. This is just what I think is wrong with it. Okay. So all I did was put that back in and then just hook the pump and just tuck everything under. Somehow this tank blew. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna start putting everything back together. Oh shoot. If I remember how to I didn't take pictures of taking this off, so. All right. That's there.
Is one nut right here?
Yeah.
One nut right there. Little clip right here.
That's it. All right. Well, I'm just gonna start putting fenders on. Everything's pretty. You guys should know how to put fenders on.
Seems pretty simple. All right here. Pause.
There you go. All right. So, moment of truth. Put it all back together. Fill it with gas. And see how many kicks it starts with.
Want to get started fluid?
Come on.
Keep kicking? Keep
Yeah.
kicking or starting fluid?
Here, let me try. Maybe I was wrong. Okay, so it did work. Normally,
We're gonna cut out me.
no, that's fine. It's all right. So it did work. It started within maybe, I don't know, how many kicks was that?
I didn't count.
Like
Look out over the video.
10 kicks. I don't know, we'll count. But it was empty. All the lines were empty, so maybe that's why Eric struggled a little bit. There was literally no gas in the lines. And it actually did start. Before, it would not start at all. Kick it, I don't know, 20-30 minutes with nothing. We had to use starting fluid, and it would start. Mind you, this is a brand new rebuild. I took it in, get it rebuilt, got it back. Actually put a new, there you go, 12.2 hours on this engine. I got it back after the rebuild. Anyways, it ran fine. Then it started giving those issues, and me and my cousin started troubleshooting and found that O-ring, and looks like that did help quite a bit. This was the part number from AutoZone, and to be more specific, it was this guy right here, 5/16 inner diameter by 1/2 inch outer diameter. So hopefully that helps some of you guys that are having the same issue. 2009 Kawasaki KX F450. So that's today's project. This is gonna be the next one. My brother tried to pop a wheelie and I don't know, gave it a little too much, and yeah, we'll get that recorded. This one needs a shock because it's just kind of feels like a lowrider kind of thing. So all right, that'll be it. Peace.
Later, chat.
Peace.